Welcome back. My name is Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. Alright, just a quick tip today. They've finally gone public with the dark mode for Facebook on your phones or other mobile devices. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are in the Facebook app. All you need to do is look over in the lower right hand corner where you see those three little horizontal lines. So we'll just tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down the page until we get to settings and privacy here, and we'll open that. And you should see this option here just below the Find Wi-Fi, dark mode. We'll just select that. And then you can either just turn it on all the time, or you can tie it to your system settings for day and night. And there you go. And that's what it looks like in dark mode. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? So if you find value in what we're doing, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.